Hello, my name is Natalie Barham. I am Director of Performing Arts, Head of Dance and BTEC Dance Pathway Lead. The BTEC Dance Pathway is exciting and challenging and allows students to develop their technical skill, expressive artistry as they perform, create and discuss their chosen art form. The four-module structure allows us to shape a curriculum that reflects the ever-evolving art form, prepares students for conservatoire training, the demands of the industry and life beyond arts ed. Students develop and extend their artistry and technique through a wide range of classes including classical ballet, jazz, tap, improvisation, international dance, choreography and performance skills. And of course, learn how to be a healthy dancer. These are all taught by experts in their field, allowing us to stretch and challenge the individual, enabling them to realise their potential. As part of their study, students also investigate the performing arts industry and learn the historical context of dance performance, because it's important that they explore and understand the influence of significant dance makers and works of the past if they're going to have a say in works of the future. Alongside independent study, students participate in creative and collaborative projects, developing their ability to communicate, choreograph, rehearse, and perform a wide range of material in a variety of styles. Assessment takes place in many forms that reflect the world they are entering and might include audition-style classes, written self-reflection, video presentation, site-specific projects, independent and group choreography. But of course, performance is key to the assessment process and the development of the student. Small-scale performance opportunities run throughout the year, but the crowning glory is the Arts Ed Dance Show, which takes place in the Andrew Lloyd Webber Foundation Theatre. When not performing, dancers are encouraged to immerse themselves in the art form through theatre visits, participation in workshops, and critically reviewing the work of a wide range of practitioners, but sometimes there's a cheeky trip to New York. Recent BTEC graduates can be found studying at the Ailey School in New York, Parts in Belgium, London School of Contemporary Dance, Bird College, Erdang and many other conservatoires across the country. The BTEC Dance Pathway is busy but very rewarding and the perfect springboard into the dance world.